Hi, this is Jason West, CEO of Fast Funnels, and today I've got a brand new feature that I think you're going to really love. We can now do gradients. So we can do gradients in blocks, columns, or individual buttons. And it just gives you the ability to create some really nice looks. So let's just take, for example, this button here that's currently in the solid color. We go to edit styling, and then you'll see this new little selection here that says add gradient. And then when we click it, straight away it's going to be using the two colors over here in the color palette, the primary color and the secondary color. So that's what it's going to use as standard, but obviously in some cases that won't look very good. So you've got this new setting here that says gradient settings. Just click change, and then you can go ahead and choose whatever color you would like. So something perhaps more like a yellow, and then a secondary color of, say, an orange. And now you get something that looks a lot more attractive there. And you can even choose the type of gradient, linear being like left to right, or radial being like round and going outwards. So if we change it to radial, you can see in the middle there it's using the yellow, and then it spreads out to the orange, the secondary color that we have there. So that's a really nice touch. Let's put that back to linear. With the linear, you can even also adjust the angle. You can see it moving around there, so you can really get that nice look or whatever you would like. And then we've got all of our usual settings for buttons as well, such as the text style there if you want to make it bold, letter spacing, all of that cool stuff that we already had, now combined with gradients. Then, as I say, you can also do the background colors of columns as well. So if we click on background color here, we can choose like a solid color, which obviously doesn't look great in this example. But we can also, if I move that over there, we can get rid of that, and we can choose a gradient color. And there we go again, it's using those colors from the color palette. We'll change them, and then we'll go with a start color of, say, this blue here, and then a secondary one of maybe a lighter blue, like that. And even with just doing that, it looks really, really nice there. And you can also make these transparent, and I'll show you why that's useful in just a moment. But you can move it around so it can be, again, that gradient angle is changed, and then go to radial too if that's what you would prefer. So now we've done that, we've done a column, we've done a button. Now let's do a whole section. And you can see in this particular section just here, we have got, if we go to edit container, we've got a background image, and we're allowing some of that to show through. And what's stopping that is the overlay. So at the moment, we've got an overlay, and we can make that transparent like this, depending on how dark we want it. But we can actually add an overlay with a gradient, so making it even more different. Again, changing the settings there. Let me just get rid of the overlay itself, and then let's add the gradient over the top instead. And now we can choose the colors here, and we can go for, let's just go for that yellow again, and then the secondary color of, say, orange. And now that's blocked it out, that's blocked out this background image. So if you did want it like this, just a straightforward gradient looking like that, job done, looks really nice actually. But if you still want that image to show through, you can do that, and all we do is we just change these colors to be the opacity of them to change. So I'm just fading that out now. You can see gradually it's getting lighter, and then do the same for the orange, and then just fade that down as well. So we can fade that really good. And that is about it. So you have now got the ability to go ahead and change all of these different gradients, buttons, columns, and over the blocks as well. So you can do all kinds of different designs. And don't forget, also on the bottom of these blocks and the top, you can also add shape dividers. So if we go up to this one here, you combine this, say, with, let me just delete that image off. If we go with a shape divider here, look, you can add curves, you can add all kinds of different types of things. You can put them at the top, you can put them at the bottom. So the design elements of fast funnels has just kind of gone through the roof, and you can produce all kinds of beautiful looking funnels and websites. So I hope you like that new update. Some more updates coming very, very soon. I think you're going to love. And stay at home, stay safe, and I'll speak to you all very, very soon.